Hi there, today I'm going to take you through the process of adding a footer menu to the bottom of your site. Here we have the menu that we added in our other tutorial, and I added 2 pages to it. We have a menu ID of 5, so I'm going to remember that information and head on over to my footer file. Here you can see this is where the footer starts, and this is where our content ends that started over here. I would like to place my new navigation somewhere underneath the content, so I'm going to go ahead and copy the flyout tag from the header and paste it just above the end of the main content area. I'm going to change that menu ID to 5, which we remembered before, and I'm going to change the to level to 1 because I don't actually want to show any of the flyouts, which means that I don't need any of the flyout information. I'm going to save that. Oh, and I'm also going to change my skin path to have the suffix footer so that I can uniquely style my menu. Now I'm going to go over to the CSS folder and I'm going to copy that horizontal folder that I use for the top, and I'm going to change the folder name to flyout horizontal footer that matches the class name that I added in the previous step. I also need to update these classes. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that and then use the replace function to replace all that information for me. From there, it's going to be a matter of stripping out a lot of the information. And we're not concerned with much more because we don't actually have any of that. The other thing I'm going to do is make my text smaller. And on the last link, I'm going to hide that border that I just added down here, the last text border of 0. Just make sure that I said it was border right. I didn't. I said it was border left. Just going to add a few more properties. And we should see, there we have our menu item. And we can see that there's still a width set. And so we have a little bit of styling issues to work out, but as you can see, we now have an additional menu in the footer. I hope you enjoyed this and that it was useful to you.